In making these Dizzy Bowls and Dizzy Egg projects, I did have some extra pieces, and I didn't want to throw them away. I figured there must be some use for them. So I know in one case I made this miniature bowl, and I'll make some more miniature bowls out of these pieces. I'll put some catalogs top and bottom to make some bowls like this. Out of these, I'm probably going to make some thimbles. So I'll give that a try. So I get 2 thimbles. And this is some wider pieces, which I'm going to make a bangle bracelet. And I was thinking of using one of these metal inserts, but I think I'm going to do just turn the thing inside and outside, because I like to see the Dizzy pattern on both the inside and the outside of this bracelet. So we'll give that a try next. I glued 9 layers together from the leftover pieces from the Dizzy Bowl project, and I rotated these starting in the middle, going opposite directions, so it'll be like a twisted pattern for the layers. So half the layers go this way, the other half go that way. So the first thing I'm doing, I'm going to turn the inside, and so I have my chuck, and I put a spacer in here to just get further away from the chuck so I don't cut into the metal. So I'll mount that, and I'll turn this, and I'll rotate 180 degrees and do the other side. I just changed chucks so I can grip the inside of this so I can do the outside. And again, I'll do half at a time. What I'm doing here, I'm not doing a straight cut on here, I'm doing a concave cut. So I have like almost like two O-rings on the outside and a cove in the inside. I think I need a little deeper cove, so I'm going to use this hunter tool. Now we'll give a couple coats of bush oil and see what it looks like. And there's the finished bracelet. You can see I put this cove in here, which brings out the detail more in the center. Out of these scrap pieces from my Dizzy Bowl projects, I made this bangle bracelet. two of these miniature vases, and two thimbles.